Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Yes, light green color. The next one is blue color, red color, light pink color, Yes, orange color. Kids, the next one is dark green color, black color, sky blue color. Stay with us. Sky blue color, dark pink color, white color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, Persian blue color. Yes, brown color. And the last one is silver color. So kids, we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Kids, first we're using the color of sky blue color and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we're writing the alphabet of C, D, E for egg, and the next one is F, G for God, the next one is H. Dark pink color, H for hand, I, J, K, the next one is L, M, N, O, the next one is P, Q for queen, R for rose, S, T, U, and the next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.